Hey, how's it going?
Now raise your eyebrows.
So huge. Yeah. Oops. I was about to drop it. Woo! Alright guys, finally I got my amazing Apple Vision Pro. So excited about it. So I'm actually also leaving for Buenos Aires tonight for my Patagonia trip, and this I was able to just get right before leaving. In fact, my flight leaves in like 3 hours to test this. Wow. On this side, and all right, the moment of truth. Woo! So this is empty, of course, and that is the beautiful Apple Vision Pro. Wow. So it looks like it's got this covering to protect in the front. Wow, there's so many cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can see like 8 cameras right here. And there are only 2 buttons. So like one is this crown like your watch, and then the other one is this to get started. Let's see what else is inside. Polishing cloth. Okay, nice. All right, let's put it over here. What else we got? Oh, this is very beautiful packing for sure. Something that gives you cushion right here. And all of these come with 2 straps. And of course this, because I'm going to be traveling a lot, you know, this looks nice. So I just bought this a little bit more expensive than one would imagine. But I was like, you know what, it's fine. Okay, so that's the second strap. We'll get to it in a minute. And then we have the battery pack. So Apple Vision Pro always needs to be plugged in to power on. And I think this is what they did so that there's not a lot of weight on your head or your nose or your cheeks. It's a new type of connector. Okay, so yeah, this is a very new connector. I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty cool. And then looks like there's a charger, which also seems like a regular charger, maybe like 35, 40 watt, something like that. The small one that comes with the smaller MacBook, but I've got the big one. Okay, so that's it. That's all there is here. I'm gonna put all of this back. Now to the main thing. Now let's plug it. I'm gonna break it. Okay, you can see the Apple logo outside. Oh no, not like this. And like I have to loosen it. Oh good. Press and hold to align. Now there is the Apple logo. Oh, I can see everything. It looks a little bit like, you know, blurry. I mean, I can tell that I'm looking through iPhone. Super cool. But yeah, I feel like I'm here. Press digital crown to begin. Okay, done. Bring iPhone or iPad nearby to get started. Okay, cool. Unlock to continue. Done. Waiting for Apple Vision Pro. Da-da-da. It's giving me a tutorial. So you tap your finger to select it. This is how you flip. So it's giving me a tutorial basically. I gotta go do the eye setup so that it works. So press the digital crown to set up for your eyes and hands. First, you gotta look at your hands. Flip your hands over. Hand setup complete. Look at the dot and tap your finger. Yes. Now you have to select all these different windows. Done. Completing eye setup. Okay, persona beta. Set up later or get started. Why not? Okay. Remove applevisionpro to begin capture.
Slowly turn your head to the right. Now, slowly turn your head to the left.
Move visionpro down a little. Now, slowly turn your head to the left. Adjust your head by tilting it slightly down. Now, tilt your head up. Then tilt your head down. Next, let's capture your facial expressions. Smile with your mouth closed. Adjust your head by tilting it slightly down. Then make a big smile with your teeth showing. Now raise your eyebrows. Adjust your head by tilting it slightly down. Now raise your eyebrows. Close your eyes for a moment.
Capture complete. Put visionpro back on to continue.
Let's see how my avatar looks. Okay, it says creating persona. Let's see what it comes up with. I think it's a good capture, but right now, like it shows the jacket, so maybe it's showing, but yeah, it's not. But it's a good capture. It looks pretty real, actually, you know. Hey, how's it going? Da 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 da. Yeah, it's getting a pretty accurate thing. Hey. Yeah, all good. See, it shows my hands as well, proper. Okay, good. Well, next. Optic ID setup complete. Create a passcode. It may take a few minutes to activate your Apple Vision Pro. Right on. Oh, it's already done. Setting up Apple ID. Agree to terms. Keep Apple Vision Pro up to date. Sure. Setting my credit cards. It's pretty cool. Card not added. The contact card issue. Oh, that was the Apple card. It should have worked. Pinch the window bar to apps. Yeah. On the side, you can go to do this. Hold the digital crown to recenter your view. Look up at the top of your view for the control center. So you could just have that. Okay. Nice. Tips to try. Look at the dot and tap to choose a window. Yep, got that. So you go here, it's pretty cool. As you look, it becomes bigger. Welcome. Press the digital crown to go to the home. Okay, I'm in home. Let's look at the photos because that's the most beautiful. Oh wow, this is an immersive photo. I think yes. So here you can make it like as real as you want. So I made it, oh wow, maximum real. I'm like in the middle of Iceland. So cool. Okay, go to photos again. How do I go back? Okay, it was down. Press the top button to start capturing. Okay. Okay, well, it has a little bit of a flicker that I see. Okay, that's our website. Nice. Website experience is super cool. Alright people, that was the demo of these beautiful Apple Vision Pro spatial computing game changer. Now it's 6:40, so let's see if I want to go ahead and make my flight. See you guys later.